Ribbon, ribbon, ribbon. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mina from Jungle Kindergarten School. Today, I will tell a story nothing really. The story is about a little frog who learned to listen to his mom. Enjoy! Repeat after me, ribbon, ribbon. 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 Hello, I am Greenie. I'm a nothing girl. Don't go to snake water. I'm going to the market. Ribbon, ribbon. I can't go to snake water. I can't go there alone. This is the way I eat berries, eat berries, eat berries. This is the way I eat berries. It's so yummy. This is the way I eat berries, eat berries, eat berries. This is the way I eat berries. It's so yummy. Look, there are raspberries over there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm starving. I'm so hungry. I will eat you, little frog. Got you, little frog. Oh no! Please, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Mom rushed to the snake. Run, Greenie, run! I will kill you. No! Greenie, come here. Bury me near the river. Yes, Mom. I promise. Mom, I'm sorry. Please stop the rain. I'm sorry. Everyone, forgive me. I'm not a nothing girl anymore. Why the bird suddenly appear? Every time you are near, just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky? Every time you walk by, just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, me just got together. I decided to create come true. So this many noise in hand, I'm gonna start if your eyes are blue. Mom, please forgive me. I'm not a naughty girl anymore. I love you, Mom. Then, always listen to your parents.
ค่ะ1 2 3สมัยยิ้มหน่อยยิ้มสวยๆนะใครยิ้มสวยอยู่ในภาพนี่เดี๋ยวมีรางวัลให้อีกโชว์เหรียญ